Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing precisely. Get a trim tool, flat screwdriver and needle nose pliers, and a rag to catch debris. Lower the glass about 1/2 inch so you can reach the clip. If the door has airbags, disconnect the battery first. Once done, peel away the door panel edge enough to see clip heads. Use the trim tool to pry under the plastic retainer, then angle the screwdriver to release the spring. Make sure to hold the panel to prevent sudden drops. You now focus on the middle steps. First, identify the retainer type, pushpin, snap, or screw-in, because each needs a slightly different motion. For pushpins, pry the center up, then pull the whole pin out. For snap clips, work the perimeter evenly so the panel doesn't warp. Once you pop a few retainers, work sequentially along the top to free the panel, and then lift it off the lower hooks. If a clip resists, use needle nose pliers to back it out while supporting the panel. You finish by checking and replacing any damaged clips. Test fit the panel first so alignment is exact. Once aligned, press each clip into its hole until you hear a definite snap. Work top to bottom. Reconnect wiring and then restore the battery, testing the window and locks to ensure everything operates smoothly. If the panel won't seat, make sure no wires are trapped and that hooks are engaged. A misaligned clip often prevents seating, so reseat the offending area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.